How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unlink or remove your Bitmoji avatar from your Snapchat profile on iPhone or Android in just a few taps. In this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're gonna head over and open your Snapchat account, and then you're gonna click on the profile icon at the top left, and then you will be redirected to your account. So you're gonna scroll down, and this is basically the Bitmoji. So you can simply click on selfie or fashion, and then you can transform your Bitmoji in any of the type that you want to remove. And you can either click on this gear icon at the top right, and then you're going to scroll down and click on use my Bitmoji and make it private so that your friends can't use. But however, if you wish to completely remove Bitmoji, you're going to search for the option of Bitmoji, that is over here. So you're going to simply click on Bitmoji, and here you can either change your outfit, edit your Bitmoji, or choose a selfie. And here at the bottom you'll be able to see an option that says remove my Bitmoji. So you can simply click on that, and it says if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and old-fashioned items saved in my closet. So to click on remove, and once you do so, you can see that your Bitmoji has finally been removed, and here you can see that your Bitmoji is no longer available. So that was how you can remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.